Each set of gradebooks has a condensed option and an extended option. So I wanted to show you in this video how I use the condensed option and just point out some of the features of it. So the condensed option has one column per standard, and the standards are just written in the call number of the standard, so you don't see the whole standard written out. It's more of like a quick reference than like a more in-depth reference. I use these for test scores. Maybe if I have one test or one score on a certain standard, I'll record it here. I use them for report card scores. So after the semester, trimester, quarter is over, I will collect all of the data and I will give the student's grade based on that. And before I go into the computer, I might record them on here just so it's a quick thing. I can see where my holes are at. If I have anything missing, I can quickly reference it once I do go to add the scores into report cards on the computer. And so it's just a really quick reference guide. I like to use them also for beginning of the year data. Maybe I wanted to just assess where they're at before they come in, or I use it for middle of the year data. Depending on how our year is broken up, I can quickly just record quick scores. And then I really like to color code them, and I color code them in two different ways. I will color code using green for students who are proficient or above proficient. I'll use yellow for kiddos who are right there in the middle. They could maybe use some more instruction on it, or they're just kind of getting it. And I'll use pink for kiddos who really need a lot more instruction. Depending on the spread, I might also throw in an orange, and that'll help me just differentiate kind of my middle lows and my middle highs. So it'll give me that other range between the yellow and the pink highlighter. So that's just like on a regular kind of everyday level. So I can pull small groups, I can do some added instruction for the whole class, that kind of thing. And then the second way I color code them is when it is time for report cards. I will go through, and my school uses 1, 2, 3, and 4 for our report cards. So I will highlight all the 4s in green, all the 3s in yellow, all the 2s in orange, and all the pinks will be the 1s. And that just helps me just really quickly visualize so that when I am keying in data on report cards, it goes really quickly.